Oh. Does your current home speaker system have you feeling tied down? I mean, every time you want to go do a little dance to your favorite song, you have to take your phone, plug it in, press play, set it down, and then you can go and get jamming. But what if I told you you don't have to settle for being tied down with your home stereo system, and you can make any home stereo system into a Bluetooth speaker with this, the Logitech Bluetooth speaker adapter. The reason why we're unboxing this today is because we at 3411 Heaven had the same problem that you face maybe on a daily basis. We can't stand having to leave our phone by our stereo system. As typical Generation Z, we want our phones in our pocket while we're dancing around the room. And you can too. Let's take a look what's inside this box, and if this is something that can solve your problem, you can find a link below to it on Amazon for the low price of 20 bucks. Here we go. First off, the unboxing knife, as always, safety first. Let's cut in. Got 3 strips here, 2 on the side, 1 on the back, and boom, we're in. Small tab on top. I just ripped the box, sorry. We're gonna pop it open, nice and easy. It's much easier to grab if you rip it, so you might actually want to. And you can take the box, set it on its side, pull out some nice plastic, and there it is. Inside the box, we find a tinier box, and this is the box that solves all our problems. This is the Bluetooth speaker adapter. What it takes to actually hook this up to your home speaker system is 2 things. 2 RCA cable outputs on the back, and they also include a 3.5 millimeter adapter that can be used to plug into your stereo system if for some reason you don't have the RCA cable plugins. To power this little buddy, there is a power adapter inside, as you can see here, with a relatively long cord that we can stretch out just like this, that plugs into the back as well. Before I plug anything in, there is some nice plastic shrink wrap that just happens to be so all over this thing, and I want you to hear me tearing it off because that's the type of things that people on the internet like to listen to now. So let's see if this comes up on the microphone. Sorry, it's my first time tearing this off. Oh. Clear. Successful surgery. Now that we have this little buddy unwrapped, let's actually talk about functionality. According to the box, a reliable source, it says that we can stream music up to 15 meters away with crystal clear quality, as backed by the no compromise Logitech audio. Another handy dandy feature about this item is that it is a multi-point Bluetooth pair smartphone and tablet simultaneously, which means rather than having to disconnect your smartphone and then connect your iPad every time you wanted to listen to something off that, it allows both devices to be connected at the same time so you don't have to switch back and forth. A real convenience if you have multiple people in the house or in the room. With 2 other roommates and myself trying to stream music all at the same time, it can be kind of fun to fight over who actually has control over the Bluetooth input. But aside from that, we found this product to be great for our use case, and we think it will be for you too. So if you want to get one of these for yourself, go check out the link below. And if you're not supporting our channel already, you definitely should by clicking that subscribe button and also by ring-a-ding-dinging that bell. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and be sure to check out some of our other content. I am sure that you'll love it. And can you believe it? Even though we have sub 100 subscribers right now, we actually have a merch store. Go check that out below. But with that said, that's it for today's video. Bird out.